All right.
Oh, this stuff stinks. Oh, dude, we're gonna die. That's gonna kill us.
So here we are. We got our KP Pigment HKS Purple. We're about to mix it up with our binder and spray it on this 1968 Buick Skylark Convertible. It is gonna look hot. She's gonna be spicy. So, yeah, we got our fenders. We got our hood hanging. Everything is scuffed up. We've hit it with our wax tack cloths. We've done everything. We've hosed down the floor. Dad's in his jumpsuit. So this is it.
This might be a little difficult with these gloves.
Oh, I'm camera guy right now. So.
I know. Woo. So both of these are going in there.
Yeah.
I wonder if we should. I don't know. Is there a certain way to do this?
Dump them in.
Wow.
Probably all of it.
I know. I'm scared.
Yeah. Dad hasn't ever done this before.
Nope.
So
this is the first
this is
for
new.
me.
This is new.
This is very new.
Look at that stuff, eh?
I know. I can't.
So I was looking around for videos on the interwebs about how to do this. I thought you mix this with your clear coat, but I'm wrong. It goes in your binder, and then you put your clear coat on. So don't make that mistake like we almost did.
Slow RPM cranks gear on that one.
Yeah, it's the slowest. That's as fast as it'll go with it, the way it is. Mm-hmm. Hopefully she fits.
It's going to be fun getting in there.
Oh, baby. Let her eat.
Oh, look at that, Steve.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that gonna look nice?
That's going to look nuts. Oh my, I can't believe it. That looks insane.
It's gonna be quite the color.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to do this. Mix the best way to do this. I'm glad he gave us this cloth.
So we're mixing this in the can. We got about 50 grams for, well, we're a little more than 2 quarts here. And then we'll reduce it as we mix it 2 to 1 in our mixing pot. We don't want to do that in the can because the paint will go bad if we have some left over and don't use it.
Yep.
So we're going to time lapse. I'm going to set this up now, and you're going to watch this car change color. We'll take a peek at it again before we do the clear coat. Well, that's about gonna wrap this one up, guys. There she is. I really like the color. It turned out quite nice. We had a little problem with our base coat. We didn't reduce it quite enough. It was quite warm out, and it was going on pretty dry, so we're fighting with that. So it sort of has this kind of uneven, cloudy look to it, which kind of in some ways looks intentional maybe. And this fender's, you know, actually looks better besides the massive run. That was my fault. So we're going to be cutting that down and polishing, hopefully before the parade. But all in all, you know, it's pretty good for a couple of amateurs for what we had to work with and how much Bondo's in this thing. So hope you guys like it. Hope you all enjoyed that. You know, if you're local and you want to get a look at this thing in person, we'll be up at the grad parade in Enderby on the May 9th, next Friday. So I don't know much about it, where it is or what time. I just know it's in Enderby on Friday. So there we go, guys. Maybe I'll film the parade as well. We'll see, make that another little video, but we'll see you on the next one.